In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive video link public. If you've ever needed to share a video quickly so anyone can watch it without asking them to sign in, this walkthrough is for you. We'll do this on a computer using Chrome, but the process is similar in other desktop browsers. The goal is simple. Turn a private Drive video into a link that anyone can open and view. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and signing in as you normally would. Find the video file you want to share. This could be in My Drive or inside a specific folder. Once you've located it, right-click the video and choose Share. This opens the sharing window, which controls who can access your file. Look for the section labeled General Access. By default, you'll usually see Restricted here, which means only people you explicitly add can view the file. To make the link public, click that drop-down and change it to anyone with the link. This is the key setting. With this selected, anyone who has the link can open the video without needing a Google account. Next, confirm the permission level. Set it to viewer so people can only watch the video. This is the recommended option because it prevents others from making changes or adding comments. Viewer access is perfect when you just want to share a watch-only link for clients, classmates, or friends. Now copy the public link by clicking Copy Link. This places the URL on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need, messaging apps, email, group chats, or a website. When you're done, click Done to close the sharing window. At this point, your link is ready to share, and anyone with that link can press play. A few important notes before you go. Choosing anyone with the link means the viewer does not need to log in to Google to watch your video. They can't edit the file or change your settings unless you deliberately grant higher permissions, which we don't recommend for most cases. Also remember, link sharing is convenient, but it's essentially semi-public. Anyone who gets the link can pass it along. If you ever want to limit access again, return to Share and switch General Access back to Restricted. That's it. You've turned your Google Drive video into a public watch-only link you can share anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your video in front of the right people fast.